So, finally guys, Creative Fabrica launched their Spring Promo All Access just for $1 for the first month. As you can see that, now you don't need to pay a $29 subscription as I am showing you. You can see that All Access for $29 per month. But, if you get this deal right now, then you don't need to pay $29 per month. Even when you renew, you can click here to get the deal. As you can see that after 1 month, you just need to pay $19 per month, and you don't need to pay again $29 per month. You are saving $18 and you can get full access to Creative Fabrica, in which included 51,870 fonts, 2 million graphics, and full website access. You can download anything at any time. So friends, don't waste your time, only 16 hours left for this awesome deal, link in the description box. Click the link to get the deal, and thanks for watching this video. See you in the next with awesome.